candid advice from experiences and all that. If you do it this way, or if you do it this way, you'll get the money you're looking for. And I want you to speak in the banking sector and specifically First Bank, and you'd also give us your details so that we can put you in copy of some of those emails. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So one of the things that women don't do well is, in the bank, you should have some records. You should have an idea of what your business is doing. But most times women tend to, we just want to do everything together. But you shouldn't run your business like it's your personal account. So number one, good record keeping. That's one thing that women don't do well. It's something we need to learn to do because, I should have your history. So those are some of the things we need. And you don't necessarily need to have an account with First Bank before we know what your history is. Any account you've operated before now is something we can, once you provide us with the statement of account, we can look at it. But the challenge is that most times women don't have records. They're just spending the money, the way it's coming in and all of that. We need records to be able to ascertain that yes, you are credit worthy. Now talking about loans, when BOI came, they talked about a single digit loan. I'm glad to inform you that First Bank also has a single digit loan at 9%. I thought somebody was going to clap. Yeah. So it's a rare kind of loan. It's about the only type.
Is it for women?
Only to women. Only to women. So that loan is only to women. It's to support women because we are very passionate about women. So it's called the First Gem Funds. We see women as gem. So we call that loan the First Gem Funds. And you can get as much as 5 million. I see people pitching for 1 million. You can get as much as 5 million. Other are First Gem Funds. And we cater to some industries. I've noticed when I was coming here, I thought I was going to see only tech. But I was glad to hear people talk about, I've heard about food processing, I've heard about logistics, I've heard about everything. So that loan is open to as many as are in that sector. So we cover 5 major sectors under the First Gem Funds: cosmetics, agri and agro-allied products. We have transportation and logistics, food and beverages, and then confectionery. So you can get as much as 5 million under that portfolio. But then, to get that loan, number one, you have to be a woman. So if you're a woman, you're eligible for the loan. And then if it's a joint account, if it's a partnership or a business, the ownership has to be at least 51% women. We want the woman to have the higher stake so that we are sure that you're eligible for that loan. So good record keeping, number one, and then you have to open an account with First Bank. You should have a First Gem account. And our stand is just out there, so you don't have to wait till tomorrow. You can just walk out there and open an account with us, and then you can go in and work and process your loan. You don't need to have run your account with First Bank for 6 months. Just bring your statement of account from any bank, and then you're eligible for that fund. So that's why the record keeping comes in. When we see the turnover on your account, we're able to give you. So that's the collateral we require. The fact that you have good records and you have good standing, that's it. And then when everybody was talking, definitely the most important thing at the end of the day is you need to have a payment gateway. So this is not a loan now, it's a platform we have. We call it the BAP, that's the Billing Aggregator Platform. If you go on our website, it's something you can easily access. We also have what we call the First Checkout as well. It's another payment platform that you can use. You can integrate all of your mobile app and all of that, and then you can pay with that. So that's something that is universal to all. You should have a good credit-worthy payment platform where people can go online and pay. So we have that as well. That is not a loan, but it's a value add that will give to our customers to enable them to process their transactions. So we have a lot of loans, health sector, so many things. If you go to our website, you can see all of this. Thank you.
And if I walk into First Bank tomorrow, I don't know, if I was not here, I don't know of First Gem Fund. So it's not just not knowing. And then, I don't know, education avenue, so to speak, where if I walk into a branch, it's just, who do I ask for? To say, hey, what provisions do you have for my business? Who do I ask to see? What questions do I ask? Because again, no matter how long we stay here, you can't disseminate all the information, right? So how do we do it so that we're able to access all of those, comprehensively, we're able to access all of those?
Alright, so all of this information is available on our website, www.firstbanknigeria.com. You can also call our first contacts. You can get information from them. And definitely, I'm going to drop my contact. I'm just a chat away, so I'll drop that. There was something running through my head while we were talking. I think I just lost that. But don't worry, it's a comeback.
All right, so we're back to you, the Honorable Commissioner. Again, thank you for your time. Okay.
All right, thank you very much. So we have partners who do a lot of capacity building as well. We have partners that they handhold, they handhold the entrepreneurs. They take you through, they tell you how to keep your books and all of that. They don't just leave you. They partner you, what will I say now? They pair you up with somebody that has run that business for a long time. One of such is the Eloy Awards Foundation. You can go and look it up, and then they'll take you through how to keep good records. We also have trainings from time to time. We also have what we call the SME Connect platform, where you can go on, and then you have a group of like-minded individuals on that platform. So people are able to exchange ideas, they're able to tell you how they do things. Now, we won't encourage you to go take a loan if you still don't have good records, because it's going to impact your ability to pay off that loan. And you know, loans come with interest. So that means at the end of the day, you'll be running more interest and all of that. So it's good you learn how to keep your books, and then when you take a loan, you're sure that you will pay that loan and the loan will not go bad. So we have those partners, like I said about, we have the LOE partnership, they're able to guide you and hold you through being able to keep good records and all of that. Does that answer your question?
Thank you. So we have our closing.
Thank you. So my parting words, in First Bank, every woman is a first gem. Every woman is priceless. And we've been here since 1894. We are here to take giant strides with you. We know that tech industry is one that requires a lot of giant strides. So, I mean, worry not. We are here with you every step of the way, taking the giant strides together. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand.